to my kitchen. I'm very excited today to introduce you to my friend who I'm so proud of her. My friend Karen Binno Al-Khoury accomplished so much and she worked so hard and she's very dedicated to, of course, make sure that she has a product that's it's excellent and it's so healthy and it is so flavorful and it's so handy for many, many people. And I'm very excited about making the salad using one of her dressing. So here I'm introducing you to my friend, Karen Binno Al-Khoury. Thank you so much we've been waiting for this day for a long time.
I'm so excited to be here.
We've been talking about it for a long time.
Yes,
and
thank
now
you, Samira.
it's the day where we're gonna make the salad, of course, using your amazing and tasty salad dressing. And of course, I'll let you be the one who tell us about the dressing and the other varieties that you have. We'll be using, which one are we using for today's salad?
Yes, we'll be using the Mediterranean lemon.
And we are making Mediterranean orzo salad today, so this will blend perfectly with the salad, right?
Exactly. And I'm so excited to be here with the famous Samira.
Thank you.
Growing up and for the past 10 years, you've been a household name, and you're my mom's favorite chef, and love watching your videos. I'm excited to finally be here and collaborate with you and share my dressings. And so these are just like homemade, and it's really nice because you can pair them with a lot of Samira's recipes, and it's a little bit of a shortcut, and they're all healthy ingredients just like you would make at home. We use olive oil and avocado oil, no soybean or canola, and simple ingredients. So healthy just like all of Samira's cooking.
I love the varieties and I love the ingredients. It's really, really nice. And you know, the thing is, I've been using some of it for marinating chicken and meat and vegetables.
They're delicious.
And even salmon. I used one of them, our salmon. It was so delicious.
Yes.
So it's not only for salad dressing.
They're called Drench, and Samira's right. They're wonderful for dressings, marinades. We use them as dipping sauces, so they're very versatile. And today we will be using them in an orzo salad. They're wonderful in pasta salads. So they're really versatile and full of flavor. They're exploding with flavor.
And like I said, I'm so proud of you, and I'm so happy for you that you have your dressing in like many stores and like many well-known stores.
Yes,
you know?
We've been working hard. We're in over 300 stores locally here in Michigan and in the Midwest. And we're available online as well at idrench.com. So many ways to find it, and we'd love for you to try it.
Great. So today we will start making this with this salad. Of course, you see all these healthy ingredients that we are using, right? Yes. I mean, you can't go wrong with all this, you know. So we're using orzo. Orzo is rice-shaped pasta.
Yes.
And it's cooked just like cooking any pasta. Just boil some water, add some salt to it, some olive oil, and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. We don't want to cook it until it's mushy. And then we just drain it, and then we will start making the salad.
Yes, I love orzo. It has a creamy texture.
Yeah, it's really nice because of the shape.
Yes.
Yeah. To purchase my cookbooks, Treasured Middle Eastern Cookbook, مختارات من فنون الطبخ, a baking journey. You can email me to order directly from me as cholagh11@yahoo.com, or you can order from amazon.com. So to start with the salad, of course, the salad is a recipe for our friend Maureen.
Yes,
it was very nice of her to share the recipe with us. She brought it over my sister's house one day, and I fall in love with it, and I've been making it all the time. So I told her, will you share the recipe with me? She, you know, Maureen.
Yes,
of course she will.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Maureen, for sharing the recipe.
Yes, we love you, Maureen.
So first of all, what we did is we boiled the orzo pasta, and then we let it just cool a little bit, like you see. And now what we're gonna do is we will add your Drench dressing.
Today we're gonna use the Drench Mediterranean lemon, and I'd like to give it a quick shake because we don't use any emulsifiers or thickeners, no chemicals like ranch. Like if you notice, it doesn't move. These will separate, and that's normal. That's what normal dressing should do. So we're gonna pour it on top of the orzo right now. And you let me know how much you'd like.
Yeah, I mean, we will be adding more after we mix all the other ingredients, but first of all, we want to almost like marinate it
Yes.
a little bit. And sometimes, you know, I like to add the dressing and leave it for an hour or two. You know,
so
it
it
marinates,
absorbs all
yeah,
the flavor.
absorbs all the
Yes.
flavors. And then add the other vegetables that goes with it.
Would you like a little bit more?
Yeah, add a little bit more.
All
We
right.
want it to be nice and shiny. Okay. So we will, of course, we need a lot of room. We have a lot of vegetables.
Yes.
So we will transfer this whole thing to a big bowl like this. And we will add the remaining ingredients. So here I have chopped cucumbers. You could add more or less, you know, depending on how much you like certain
Taste.
yeah, according to, you know, like your taste. If you want more parsley, you can add more parsley. But I like to add a lot of vegetables to the salad.
I do too.
Since it's salad and we want it to be healthy, of course. So we added the chopped parsley.
Samira made it so easy for us today.
Chop.
Just assemble.
Yes, there you go. And chopped green onions. And then here I have fresh chopped dill and I have dried dill. You could use here, I have one bunch of fresh dill and I have 2 tablespoons of dried dill. I always like to use the dried dill with fresh, even with any herbs actually. The dried one will be more concentrated and will have more flavors.
flavor, yeah.
So I'm using one, but if you don't want to use the dried one, you can double, you know, the recipe of the fresh one. Use 2 bunches instead of 1. So we will add the fresh and dried dill. Yes, thank you. And then we will add the chopped red onion also. Look at the
Okay.
combination of all these together. And then here I have feta cheese.
Oh, that's the best part.
That's the best part. You know, that's why we are not using any extra salt. You know, I'm sure
We
the
don't need
dressing
to,
has salt, and but we're not adding any more salt because feta
The
cheese
dressing
is
has all the
always
flavor.
yes.
It has all the flavor in it. Everything we use.
So
in
you
this
can
salad.
kind of don't need. So we will just crumble some feta cheese.
What kind of feta cheese did
I
you use
use
today?
the Holland one. Yeah, it's really good. It's not as salty as, and it's creamy too.
Yes,
I like this
that.
one. Yeah, yeah, I like feta cheese. I don't mind, you know, any kind. I will, you know, just like, you know, if it's available, if I have it, I will use it. I don't mind. So we'll just crumble the feta cheese, just like that. And then we'll add more after we serve it. And this goes here. Again, depending on how much cheese you like to add, you can add more or less. And now all the ingredients that we need.
Can I help you toss it?
Here you go. Yes, you can do
This is
that.
the fun
And I want you
part.
to tell us about your dressings too.
Oh, so all of my dressings are, like I said, they're all natural and they're just like homemade. We have 5 flavors. The one we're using today, like I said, is the Mediterranean lemon. This is great on tapuli, fattoush, Greek salad, and like Samira said, it makes a great marinade for chicken, lamb chops. It's so versatile.
Even vegetables. It's
Yes,
very nice.
vegetables. I'll let you take over. And also, a little trick I do is I drizzle it on my avocado toast. It's
Oh,
delicious with a little
that sounds like a
microgreens
good
or
idea.
arugula.
Yeah.
So delicious. And then we have our citrus honey vinaigrette. This is my signature dressing. This is how it all started. I made a kale
So
salad.
this was the first one?
Yes, this is the first one. I made a kale salad for my friends, teachers at school. They loved it and they encouraged me to bottle it. This one's also versatile. I love to marinate my chicken, my salmon, and my friends who do pork and lamb said it comes out real caramelized, so they really like that a lot. And
I'm gonna add some more dressing
Yeah,
while
help
you
yourself.
explaining
Yes, of
about the
course.
other ones.
And then this is another great one. It's the balsamic fig vinaigrette, and Samira and I will be doing another show featuring
yeah.
another salad with our balsamic fig. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, I love this on anything with goat cheese, feta, or blue cheese, like a Cobb salad or Greek salad. My friends marinate their chicken with it and make like a caprese chicken. So this is also very versatile. Oh, and I love using it as a finishing sauce for like
what I
roasted
like
Brussels
about it is
sprouts.
like it has some sweetness to
Yes.
it, but it's natural sweetness.
Yes, it's
which is
natural. We
really
just
good.
use honey,
Yeah.
a little bit of fruit juice, but there is no sugar in any of these, no refined sugars.
Great.
Yes, I know, and like I said, it's a great finishing sauce for like roasted Brussels sprouts or broccoli, so it's nice for the fall. And our Caesar, this happens to be vegan because there's no raw eggs, no raw fish, no dairy.
Oh, that's excellent.
It's great for
Yeah.
those who have allergies. There's so many
course.
allergies nowadays. So this is a really good one that you know, if you have allergies in your home and you won't even know, like you can't tell the difference.
Well, because the other ingredients
Yes,
overpower.
exactly. And I've done so many different things with this. I make a pasta salad with a ton of spinach and Parmesan. I've even put this, make a sandwich with it. My husband loves this on his burgers. Actually, my friend Retta, she inspired us to put this on her burgers.
Oh, okay.
She loves it. Yes.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, and this is our Southwest. So this is, I call this a party in your mouth. Lots of great flavor, Mexican, but
That's good
not.
for fajitas.
Yeah, it's great for
nachos.
fajita salad, Southwest salad.
Yeah.
And on my Instagram, I have a really nice recipe for a Southwest salad.
Okay.
It's Drench dressing is my
There you
handle.
go.
And yeah, this is our newest one. We just launched this a few weeks ago. It's wonderful.
Really, really beautiful. I mean,
Yeah.
like, you know, honestly, it's just like so many varieties and like all have like
Thank
amazing
you.
flavors.
Yes.
And you really cannot get wrong with using any of them, like in salads and like, you know, even the other day I used the fig one over salmon. And then I put like my oil
Delicious.
mix on top and it was
Sounds
so
good.
good.
That sounds really good.
It was so
Why
good.
didn't you call me? I would have been
Next
over in
time,
2 minutes.
next time I will. Next time I will. So this was our recipe for today. You see this beautiful, amazing salad that has so many vegetables and it's so healthy and it's so easy to make actually. And of course, what made it even nicer that we used Karen's Mediterranean lemon dressing. Of course, dressing is everything in a salad. This is how you finish adding the last thing in the salad, and that's what makes everything so beautiful and so creamy and so nice and flavorful too. So today's show we made the Mediterranean orzo salad, and I thank you so much, Karen, for being here to help me making the salad.
Thank you so much.
And
I'm honored to be here.
of course, we've been
so
we've
fun.
been wanting to do this for a long time, and I really admire what you do.
Thank you.
And I really so proud of you to be able to accomplish all this.
Thank you. Likewise.
I'm
I'm
sure-
so proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm sure it was a lot of work, but it's done, so it's great. So thank you so much for watching our recipe today. Today's show we made orzo Mediterranean salad, and we'll see you next time with more dishes, and we will be making another salad using another dressing next time. Like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press on the icon bell for more videos updates.
And if you'd like to purchase Drench, you could buy it at most of the stores here in Michigan, also in the Midwest in Whole Foods, and online at idrench.com. And please follow us at Drench Dressings on Instagram. We always post recipes, and we will post this recipe as well.